When air brake systems fail, trucks are often taken out of service, putting safety and operations at risk. In many cases, the root cause lies in small, often overlooked components. That is why Alkon developed DuraLink, a DOT tubing and fitting solution for critical air brake connections. Not all products marketed as DOT compliant perform the same. While many meet SAE and FMVSS minimums, Alkon DuraLink exceeds them, delivering trusted strength and reliability in service. This doesn't happen by chance. It's the result of more than 70 years of engineering and manufacturing expertise. Made in North America, the DuraLink solution ensures tighter quality control, consistent processes, and dependable supply to support demanding mobile applications. That difference shows up where it matters most, keeping trucks in service and air brake systems operating as intended. Alkon DuraLink DOT tubing and fittings are engineered to work together, driving reliable performance and confidence in every connection. Visit alkoncorp.com or call 419-333-7000 to speak with our expert sales team today. Protect your customers, protect your operations, protect every mile.